your girl Jalen back with another video. As you guys see by the title of the caption, I am about to fill you guys in with a little information on hair tips, some ideas that work for me that might work for you. So by the title of the caption, y'all know what I am about to do. I am about to show you guys what products I use to help my hair grow, because my hair has like really been growing. Like I had got it cut to like right here about, I say 8 weeks ago, and it's already like to my shoulders. So I know you guys want to find out what's my little secret, okay? So I'm gonna fill you in on some information that might work for you, some information that works for me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys drop in the comment section below what ideas you guys want to see on my channel. More of lifestyle vlogs, workouts, anything you guys have in mind, because your girl is running out of ideas about makeup and hair. Like I don't want to just only do that, because I'm just like staying in one spot. I don't want to only do that. So if you guys have ideas, you guys can be open-minded in my comment section below, and I will reply to you. I know a lot of people look up on YouTube how to make your hair grow, how to stop like your hair from shedding, how to moisturize your hair, how to wash your hair in a correct way, etc. The list goes on and on and on. And I know a lot of people look on YouTube how to do this stuff, because I used to myself. So it's like, why not I just make a video of my own to show you guys that this what I use and this what really works for me. Of course, everybody has their own type of different hair. Some people have a little rough hair. Some people, well, the word is like I think it's like coarse. I have no idea, but yeah, those types of hairs. People have rough, some people have thin, some people have thick, and it's just different types of hair. So not a lot of people can relate to like my video, and not a lot of people can relate to other people's video. Of course, I am mixed, so I have a mixture of African American hair and smooth Caucasian hair. Some products that you put in your hair also can damage your hair. It can break your hair down. So some African Americans have really good hair, and some Caucasian have really burnt bad hair. So everybody's hair is different. There's bad on each side. Not only saying Caucasian and black only have different types of hairs, but we're talking about Asians, Hispanics, Latino. We talk about all different ethnicities. So this video is for people who can relate to my hair, who's mixed, who has, I would say my hair is like fine. That's the word, fine. I'll say I have fine hair. My hair is like, I never got relaxed or anything, so my hair is pretty good. It's like really soft. It's thin, you can say that. It's thin while straightened, but it's thick and big once I get it wet and wash it. So if you guys are learning information so far, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so like I said, it's ways to wash your hair, dry your hair, apply products to your hair, different ingredients to your hair. Okay, so obviously natural products are better for your hair, but not a lot of people can afford natural products. Not a lot of people can afford the stuff that I get or the stuff that other people get. The first step, wash your hair only twice a week, because if you wash your hair every day, and this is for everybody, if you wash your hair every day, it starts to break your hair down. Your hair needs to build up the oils to make your hair grow. If you guys heard, if your hair is dirty, your hair grow. That's why a lot of people get their hair braided, and then they get hair sewed into their hair. So under their weave or whatever, or if they have a wig or something, they leave it on for so long because they want their hair to grow underneath. It's not just they want to look cute and have these bundles, but they just want to tie their hair up, braid their hair up, and keep it so it can like grow and stuff. So what I use this Alba Bonica Hawaiian shampoo. It's sulfate free. It's for vibrant lasting color, and this is sulfate free. So here's the product that I use, and I only use this twice a week. And you can find this at TJ Maxx. I don't see the price on here, and I got it on sale. It was $12, but ever since I started using this, I fell in love with it. And not only is it good for your hair, but it smells so freaking good. It has coconut, obviously. It's sulfate free, which is so good. It really doesn't have alcohol in it, and it's like really good for me. It works for me. I don't know if my subscribers used it before, but it works for me, so that's why I like it. After you shampoo your hair, you want to always use conditioner. Sometimes I use conditioner, I leave it in like overnight so my hair can moisturize and soak all of it up, because my hair tends to get dry if I don't get it cut. So we're going to get on to that, but first I'm gonna show you guys the conditioner I use. This is coconut milk. It's extra virgin and it has coconut oil in it. It's nourishing conditioner, and this brand is Pure Professional. It's really good. I really like this, and this was $10 also at TJ Maxx, so you guys can get it. It has zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, I don't know that word, I don't know that word, glycol. So I think this is really good. Ever since I use this, I don't get away from this because this is so good. So here's what it looks like. And they also have different. This is the coconut oil one, but they have like mint, tea tree oil. They have all types of different stuff. So if you guys like a more cooling feeling, I would definitely go with tea tree, but they have also argan oil. They have all types of different stuff, but I use everything coconut oil on my hair, so why not just go along with this? Okay, next, and like I said, I do love coconut oil. So step 2, I would say biotin hair, skin, and nails. Coconut oil, and this is vitamins. So you can order this off of Amazon. It's pretty pricey, but it's very affordable. It lasts, so you can buy this on Amazon, and I can put the link in the description so you guys can go purchase this. This video is not sponsored by them. They need to sponsor me, but it's not sponsored, and it's called Sports Research. That's the brand of it, and it's gluten-free, third-party certified tested, certified vegan, and GMP certified. I don't know what that is, but this works for me. So it might not work for you. You might not think it works, but it works for me. So if you guys want to go try this out, I will put the link in the description. Step 3. I have this Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil. Castor oil, #1, is so freaking good for your hair, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys watch this video. But castor oil is so good for your hair, like no joke. So you don't want to put it all the way down on the streaks of like the ends of your hair, but you do want to take some, and I'm not gonna wash my hair on camera, but I can show you guys how to use this on camera. So you could get this at any beauty supply store. It's probably like, I forget how much this was, but it was pricey, but it's very affordable, like, because it lasts, because you don't use much once you use it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna show you guys up close what it looks like. So I'm gonna just like put some on my hand. I'm gonna just take my nails, my fingertips, and I'm gonna just rub it on my fingers. And you just wanna act like you're washing your hair and put it on your roots, because if you put it on your roots, then it's gonna grow. So normally I just like put it on my edges, put it on the like middle, and put it in the back. And you don't need much, like you don't need to drown your hair with castor oil. I have this one too. This is the Flexi Maximum Hair Growth. I use both of these. I mainly use this for like my eyebrows, but I also use this, not only do I use it for my hair, but I heard this was really good for stretch marks, and I have stretch marks back here from me growing when I was a little thin. I was a little girl. Now I'm a thick girl. You know, your girl got her weight up, okay? So I use this for my stretch marks, and it fades it away. So that's really good for that. Step 4 is I use this Sheer Moisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% extra virgin coconut oil. So this right here, you guys probably see this a lot in like dollar store, like drugstores, let's see, Walmart, Kroger. You guys probably see this a lot, which is like probably like $13-15. I don't know, but it's well worth it because it lasts. And also you need to put it in a cooling area because it will melt. Usually when it melts, I just place it in the refrigerator and I just use it. But it melts once you put it on your hand. Okay, y'all. Okay. So it usually melts like once you put it on your hands because your body temperature. So it's really good. So, and plus it don't make your hair like clumpy and stuff. So it's really good. So all I do is I usually just take some, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's like white, but it doesn't appear white on you. See, look, it's like melted already. And then I just like put it on my hair, and it makes my hair so soft, and also it like hydrates my hair because you never want to let your hair go dry because dry hair causes shedding hair, and you don't want that to happen. So I usually just like every time I wash my hair, I put this in. I put that and I put this in like not right after the shower, but I like blow dry my hair or let it air dry, and I just like apply it, and it will last for like the next time I wash my hair because you don't want to like over put products in your hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, so you just put, and make sure you get like your ends too, because if you have dead ends, you want to keep those hydrated, which I really don't have dead ends right now, but I do need to get a trim. But I'm just saying, like, if you are scared to get a trim and you're that person that doesn't want your hair to be shorter and stuff, I was that person before, which is absolutely fine, but we'll get to that part in a minute. All right, you guys, so after I put the products in my hair, what I do want to say is on step 5, I do want to say pick the right hair brush, tools, whatever. Try to avoid straightening and heat and any type of things on your hair while your hair is trying to rebalance, is the word, rebalance. Make sure you guys avoid using any heats or anything. Also, use, like I said, use the right hair tools. This comb right here, this works miracles, okay? I use this every time I get in the shower, just like to, well, only when I like wash my hair and shampoo it and put products in my hair. But I usually can go a whole week without re-putting products in my hair, because when you keep nourishing your hair and keep it hydrated, it tends to not soak up so much because it's like a balance. So you just want to get your hair away from the dry stage and then make sure your hair is balanced. So using this comb, other like tiny combs, they make your hair fall out. Like especially you don't want to brush your hair or comb your hair when your hair is dry because it's going to cause shedding. So using this comb while your hair is wet and having conditioner in your hair, this will work. This works miracles, like no lie. So I use this always. Step 6, you want to avoid tying your hair up for so long. Let your hair breathe. If you're not working or if you're not going anywhere, let your hair breathe. Just take it out, massage it. Massage your hair is really good. Massage it and braid it up. Like you could just braid it up. Don't even put it up, just braid it up, because at night that's what I do. I braid it up and throw on my silk bonnet. You also want to stay away from cotton on your hair. Don't dry your hair with towels. Don't do it, because that makes your hair fall out. If your hair is if your towel is like I wouldn't say satin, but if you have satin pillowcases, that is amazing for your hair. Because you know, when babies be like younger and stuff and then get that little pouch on their head, that's because they have cotton pillowcases. Cotton makes your hair fall out. So if you have if you have satin bonnet or a satin scarf or something, tie your hair up. Like, put it in a wrap like this, tie it up just to keep it off of the cotton, because cotton makes your hair fall out. So that's all I really have for my tips. Also, using your water when you wash your hair. Wash your hair with like cool, I wouldn't say cold, but cool water. First, you can wash your hair with warm water to open your pores. Make sure every dirt, dandruff, whatever you got in your hair, lice, whatever you got in your hair, let it dry, like let it rinse out, and then wash your hair. Then rinse it with cool, and then apply your conditioner with cool, because it will lock in that moisture from your conditioner. So that's the tips that I have. If you guys have any more questions or any more tips on your end of what you use, make sure you guys drop in the comment section below. And with that being said, I am going to wrap up this video because I didn't expect it to be almost 20 minutes long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned from me. And also, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys want videos other than hair and makeup, you want lifestyle, whatever, drop in the comment section below. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel on the road to 100K. Let's get there. I don't know how to do that. Wait. Let's get there. And then also make sure you guys turn on the post notifications. Giveaway at 100K. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. Peace.